So if you don't know how you can be smart about AI, how you can make money with AI, stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you everything. Like I'm going to divulge everything in this video. You don't know that there are people on Fiverr that are making money just by using AI tools. You know, I told you, I said if you are on this street, subscriber of this channel, and you're not smart about making money, almost forget it. When I say forget it. So there are websites that can actually help you to make money, and there are AI. People are leveraging on AI these days to make money, either on Fiverr or on Upwork, any of those websites. People are leveraging on it and they are making tons and tons of money using AI. So if you don't know how you can be smart about AI, how you can make money with AI, stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you everything. Like I'm going to divulge everything in this video. You will know, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Kenny of Seven Hustle. If you're new to this channel, please do want to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and give us a thumb up. And if you're a returning subscriber, I will love you. So as usual, on this channel, we create content about how to make money. We review websites and apps that enable you to make money. Also, we also review affordable gadgets that you can buy and use to start making money online. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive right into the video of the day. So this video will be talking about 4 AI tools that can actually help you to make money on Fiverr. That can actually help you to monetize your skill even if you do not have any skills. And these websites are forever free websites that you can easily sign up on without investing anything. You do not need any capital to start this business. First of all, what is AI? AI is an artificial intelligence that actually can mimic human thinking and problem-solving capacity. They are actually like robots that actually solve people's problems, artificial problems, so that are computer-based. So we have a lot of AI like ChatGPT, GPT-3 that have actually revolutionized themselves and actually working super and effectively. And Nigerians, not only Nigerians, the world at large are actually maximizing this to their own benefit, and they are using these skills or services to create money, like an income stream for themselves. So if you go on Fiverr, you see a lot of stuff like I will create artificial intelligence image for you. I will create an AI image for you for $10, $5, and people are making a lot of money with this. So there are 4 skills that I know of that you can monetize or that you can market, and you'll be bringing in money in no time. Now, if you need a knowledge about general mindset of a computer, or just have this short knowledge about how computer runnings are like, please go to mindbluster.com. Mindbluster.com. Type in anything you want to venture into. Type in anything you want to venture into. They have free courses and free certificates. Free courses and free certificates for you. Whatever course, whatever thing you want to learn. You understand? So let's go. So the first skill we'll be talking about, or the first service that you can monetize or market and start making money, the first one is called email marketing. Now, email marketing is just you simply writing sales funnel or sales copy. Just use to enable a company or an organization generate more sales. And you do not even need to worry your mind when it comes to creating an email sales copy, because that is what email marketing itself is all about. You can simply go on this website called Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI website that can help you generate any sales copy you want, any email marketing write-up, any sales copy you want. So I'll be showing you guys my screen right now to show you guys how Copy.ai looks like. Guys, this is what Copy.ai looks like. It says whatever you want to ask, our chat has the answer. Now, when you scroll down, you will see where it says write blogs 10 times faster. Now, under this email marketing as well, you can offer to write blogs for people. If you go on Writers Geek, if you are an OG on this our channel, you will know that we talked a lot about Writers Geek. If you go on Writers Geek, you will be able to create blog posts for people and make money. Now, right here it says write higher converting posts. Some people are looking for people to just write posts for them. The last one says write more engaging emails. Now, this is where our own service is actually, where you have to write engaging emails where people will read and they'll be, they'll be triggered to make a purchase, or they'll be triggered to just make the right decision that you want them to make. So this is all about Copy.ai. Now, when we minimize our phone here now, we go to Fiverr. Let me open Fiverr for you. We go to Fiverr here. We type in, yeah, can you see my screen? We type in here email marketing. Let's see how much they are charging for this our service. Wow, wow. The first person here says set up e-commerce email marketing and is charging $50. The second person is charging just for you to choose a niche for them. They are charging $5. Now, when you come here, set up Shopify e-commerce email for $20. So if you scroll down here, you see that people are banging in a lot of money just for email marketing. For number two here is actually rewriting AI content. Now, we all know that these things are still, learning, their robots, they're still trying to, stand. Now, our AI actually, people are looking for humans that can actually rewrite the AI generated content they get from ChatGPT or GPT-3 or any other AI website. If you go on Fiverr, you type in rewrite AI content. Let's see, rewrite AI content. Let's see what we have here when we have rewrite AI content. People are charging $100 to rewrite an AI content, AI generated content. Now, another AI that will actually help you to rewrite this, because I said I'm showing you guys AI website that can help you to make this super, super easy. Thank me later. So I will minimize my code right now. We'll go to Fullboat. This website is actually an AI website that can actually help you rewrite, check for plagiarism, check for grammar errors. Take a look at it. You can go through it here. It says it has a plagiarism checker, it has a grammar checker, it can also rewrite your text, paraphrase it, reparaphrase it. If you are an OG on this channel, you will know I'm talking about Fullboat because it is your go-to when you want to rewrite content for blogs, for websites, or whatever it is that you want to rewrite for. Now, our next thing here that we have here is called managing social media. The third AI service that you can render is managing social media. So it is not news anymore. It is not news anymore that people are actually paying thousands of naira for people to manage their social media pages. Maybe post for them, write a post, upload something, design something. People are actually paying people. They are hiring people online to do these services for them. Now, this is a service that you can render on Fiverr or on Upwork. So I'll be showing you an AI website that can actually make this service super, super easy that you can use to render this particular service. Let's go. So we have this particular website called Cohesive. Cohesive, as you can see, it says create magical content with the most powerful AI editor. Cohesive will actually help you to post. It will help you to rearrange AI stuff, to help you to rearrange your posts and then re-upload on any social media website that you want. The fourth one is actually my favorite, video editing. Now, video editing is a skill that you can offer on Fiverr and you'll be bringing in a lot of money. If you are not G on this our channel, hey, you know I've talked about making money with video editing. Now, if you're getting content from this video and this video looks like something that you like, why do you like this video? If you are a new subscriber, if you're just seeing our video for the first time, please subscribe and join the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. Now, please, if you have any question regarding this, you can drop it in the comment section and I will be there to answer you. So, for video editing, the website that you can actually use is also called Descript. Descript, you guys will see it on the screen right now. Descript is a website that can actually help you to remake your videos, edit your videos. It is an AI website, and those videos are videos that you can re-upload or send to your clients and then make money in return. Descript, as you can see here, is actually an AI website that can help you to edit your video. So if you are rendering editing services on Upwork or Fiverr, Descript is your go-to to edit. Now, an additional skill or service that you can render on Fiverr is actually graphic design. If you are looking to start or venture into graphic design and you are new on and you are not new or you are an OG on this our channel, you will know that I always tell you to go on with Canva. You can go to Canva and start your graphic editing business from there. Canva has easy or already made template. Simply navigate around Canva and start making money online. So guys, with that being said, without wasting much of your time, if you know these 4 skills or 4 services, there is no way you will not make money on this online street. I do say this, for you to make money online, you need to be smart. You need to be smart, and you need to know that you have to work this thing yourself. Nobody is going to come from anywhere to make money for you. So guys, as this video comes to an end, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do want to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.